Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background music on your PlayStation 4 home screen. Now this is linked to your specific theme, so if you want to go ahead and change the background music, you have to go ahead and change the theme. Now if you don't hear any music, make sure music is turned on in the settings for sound and screen right here. And then just checkmark system music. Now, what we want to do to change the theme is go to settings and then go on down to where it says themes. And under here, we can choose a theme. So let's go to select theme right here. So these are all my different themes. Now, if you don't have any, you can go down to the bottom of this list and you can go to get more from the PlayStation Store. Otherwise, we can use a custom theme, but we won't be able to customize the music for that. But we can go to find in PlayStation Store right here, and we can go to the sort and filter options to just filter out the paid ones and just find the ones that are free. So I'm going to go to add filter and go to price and then just go to free. And there's 267 free themes on the PlayStation Store that you can easily just get on your PlayStation. So this is probably my favorite one, the Tetris effect one. So I'm going to go back to my theme selection and then I'm going to choose it. So here it is, let's select it. And then go to apply. And this is what this one sounds like. I'll increase my volume. And it's a little bit different. Now let's choose this one, the Black Ops 3 Morgue City theme. This is one of my favorite ones also. It's got a little bit more upbeat kind of music to it in the background. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.